Just a quickie for you folks out there. Just a quickie. This is a sub mount for the Legnum. Basically, what did I do? I got some 400 by 1200 by 16mm MDF. Kept the 400 but cut it to 260 across. And then that allowed me to drill out these existing holes that were in the sheet metal here and screw that to it. Obviously I've put lots of sound deadening behind this, and once I had done that and I had mocked up and cut out the hole in the take this off, I need to re-stick that in the carpet, right? Then I drew the circle in the MDF once the carpet was back up, then took the MDF out, cut the hole in it. Works perfectly. The only issue is because I've mounted this behind this plate as opposed to in front of it, I will need to put some spacers in, because basically the back of the carpet is about out here, so it's about another 16mm out. So I'm just going to make some spacers around the edge of this hole so that the speaker mounts a bit more flush. It still works and doesn't seem to vibrate, but I'm just going to do that for extra security. Yes, by the way, it's an 8-inch sub. You will not fit a 10-inch. Maybe you could, but if you think about it, you'd be cutting into the sheet metal here. 8 inches where it's at. Other people have 8-inch fitted. I've listened to it. It sounds fucking fantastic. So, and what sub did I buy? I bought a Kicker Comp C 8-inch. That's what they had. It's 180 bucks. And a Hertz D-Power 1 sub amp. Obviously, you know, if you're used to wiring, you run all these wires down along the underside, the sill of the car on the inside, under the door rails, and you run a dedicated connection to your battery, of course, with its own 60 amp fuse. That's just directly under the battery. No, it doesn't flatten the battery. The sub amp turns on when the radio is on. That's the blue and white wire from the radio, and I've measured it when it's off by measuring the current here with the current clamp, and it's basically 1 milliamp or something, so it's nothing. It's not going to affect the car any worse than anything, like, well, better than dash cams, better than alarms. I hope it helps, and I'll add a video bit at the end here when it's all fitted. And that is the finished product. So as you can see, look, I need to find some black screws, just a random set of wood screws I had lying around. But yeah, it looks pretty good. I'm just shading from the sun here. Looks like it's, I mean, that's literally where the factory sub is mounted, if you happen to have one in your car. It wasn't hard, like I say, fairly easy to mount. Just some MDF behind it, put as much sound deadening and fluff back there that you like for the sound you want, and away you go.